All right, guys, let's talk about quality of food. Does it matter while doing a ketogenic protocol? Well, of course it does. It does. So what people don't understand is that they're walking around with a lot of autoimmunity and they don't realize it. Like their blood sugar might be running too high, so they might be pre-diabetic, or they might have underlying thyroid issues, or they might have a candida overgrowth, or they might have hypoglycemia, or they might have gut permeability problems and constipation, and they get colds and flus all the time. And then you try to do keto, and then your quality of food is shite because you're eating protein that is corn-fed, right? Not pastured in a nasty-ass cage with glyphosate, freaking herbicides and pesticides on the corn and the soy and all this junk. And then there's the problem of the fact that they're injected with hormones, that they're sick, that they're not moving around, and then we use that as our fatty meats to do keto. If you have underlying issues and you're taking in all this toxic meat, even if it's of the fatty source, then of course you get toxins in the fat, and it's not good, peeps. Yep. Also with the produce, the vegetables, and the ketogenic fruits, you also want to be careful for the dang pesticides. If you guys are eating spinach and thin leafy greens, make sure they are organic, or else you're going to get that darn glyphosate, which breaks down your immune system, also breaks down the gut lining. I mean, we're already being assaulted. Stomach acids are too low, people can't break down their food, and then you put crappy food on top of that. Now, if you're living in a country, because this, I know this is now I reach worldwide, if you're living in a country where you can't get well-sourced meats, do your best. Do your best. If it is the fact that if you're not getting well-sourced pork or chicken, then it is what it is. But the beef, don't eat red meat. Not because red meat is bad for you. I don't know what's wrong with people. Red meat is so good for you. The problem is people go for the leaner cuts. So if you've got gout on your foot and you've got all this red meat with too much uric acid in it, yes, that's a problem for your kidneys. Don't go for the lean. Go for a healthy, fatty ribeye, and then you won't have all this uric acid build up. Because the property in red meat is fantastic, especially for women who've got iron deficiencies. So the quality of fat, the quality of your proteins, and the quality of your vegetables matter. If you're going to do a thin leafy green, do organic. And even though the organic is still getting a little bit of that dang glyphosate on it. Learn how to methylate. Learn how to detox. Because if you're having pooping issues or floating stool and you're not doing healthy quality of food, everything gets just toxic. The immune system becomes overworked, and the body doesn't want to use ketones when the body's under cortisol stress. So if you guys want to learn more, go to StephaniePerson.com. Stephanie the Business Person on my Facebook fan page. Stephanie KETOGENIC on my Instagram. I'm speaking at the Paleo FX, so thank you guys for officially inviting me. I'm also on the Paleo FX Summit. It's a keto summit, so check that out to listen to all the interviews. I feel very fortunate to be a person to be able to talk to the world and take my own experiences with clients and my mother and myself and friends and whomever tries keto, and take what I've learned and share it with everyone else. You guys know I'm writing this keto book. It was originally supposed to be a very simple book, but because of so much misinformation out there, I was like, and I get so many people with health issues and thyroid symptoms trying to do keto, or hypoglycemia, or they have reactive hypoglycemia, or they have physiological insulin resistance response to doing keto because of underlying issues they weren't aware of. That's what I'm going to be writing about in this book. It's not just going to be about macros. If you guys want to learn more, go to StephaniePerson.com. Stephanie the Business Person, my video stuttering, fan page, Stephanie KETOGENIC on my Instagram. And I'm still taking clients for consultations, and also I have a keto course that you sign up through the website. And I'm out. This is the mother-sucking business. Boom! At the age of 50, nothing has changed. I've just gotten better and more healthy. That's what's up. This is what a ketogenic body looks like. And I'm out. Peace, guys. I said peace. What the fuck?